Welcome people, X-Ray here. If you got a VST that you're kind of bored of, or it's got a good engine but the sounds are kind of whack, they're not as good as like your favorite VST, well I've got one of those. It's Obscurium. I bought it and I thought to myself, I did like the engine in it. It's got some nice presets, but the sounds, they're just so lame. They're really outdated. It'd be good for house music, but it's not really that good for like trap, and definitely not good for drill. But what I'm wanting to do is, like, you can get something like Obscurium that isn't very good, that's got a good engine, and then you can combine it with your favorite VST, or a VST that's got good sounds on it. So I'm going to kind of show you how you got it. I saw a video with Jizzin from 808 Mafia. He was really cussing and slating Obscurium, and he was right. But what he didn't know is that you can actually take the good side of a VST and make it better. Let's just say that you can make it better. So I picked Obscurium. You can, like I said, you can do that with any VST as long as it's got good presets, like it's got a sequencer. As long as it's got a sequencer inside of the VST, then it's got presets. So you can use those presets on, well, I'm going to show you how you can implement the presets, right? So this is Obscurium. This is first preset, the defaults preset, but it will work on any one of them, alright? Whoops, wrong one. Right, you hear that? That is the sequence. The sound, I'm not feeling the sound at all. Right, so what you'd have to do now is pick a VST. I picked a Soundship. I've got one of those here. Let me highlight Soundship so you know what sound it is. Yeah, so I'm pressing the keyboard, but there's no sequence there. Yeah, right, so what you need to do is go to your two sounds. Now your VST that you like, you go to MIDI from, so it's MIDI from Obscurium, post effects underneath Obscurium again. Yeah, your monitor, press in on Obscurium, or your VST that you don't like, press monitor in and turn the volume down so that you won't hear it at all. So now you should hear the same preset that was in Obscurium, but now with a different playing on this VST. So you ready? Remember the first time it didn't have a sequence? Now yeah, you could change the sound. Put some reverb on that and see how that sounds. Yeah, you get the gist? Because if you go back to Obscurium now these are all the presets. Like that one preset there's got 20, next one's got 11, the other one's got 28, and so forth and so forth. Yeah, so they work on all those presets, and obviously whatever VST that you didn't like, it's got other presets on there as well. So once again, MIDI from Obscurium, post effects Obscurium, monitor in, then you monitor on the VST that you don't like, and you turn the volume down to make sure, because if you leave the volume up, you don't know, that's both of them all at the same time. Turn it down, turn it up. Let's turn Obscurium down. Alright, just a quick tutorial at the moment. Others gonna come. If you want to see anything or any questions on my production, do subscribe, do like it as well, and you can send me an email as well. Look on the profile, you shall find my email address. Alright, peace out.